Hello everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to use Adobe After Effects. This tutorial is for beginners. The content covered here includes locating the three main panels, starting a new composition, introducing the main functions you should become most familiar with, and adding layers to your timeline. Let's get started. To start, go to New Composition in the center of your screen. Here, you will be able to access your project specifications, such as the aspect ratio, frame rate, and resolution. Make sure your settings are set to your liking. For demo purposes, I am going to leave the default settings as they are, with the aspect ratio set at 1980 by 1080 pixels and the frame rate set at 29.97 frames per second. Be sure to set your duration as well, but you can also adjust it later. Click OK. Now you should be brought to the Learn workspace. You can check by going to Window and then Workspace in the drop-down menu. Each workspace is geared toward different purposes. Go to the default workspace to access a side panel that contains multiple mini windows comprised of other features such as effects and text properties. The three main panels you need to know are your Composition panel, Project panel, and your Timeline panel. Notice the blue highlighted outline around the panels as I click on them. That signifies that I am working in that panel. The menu items are based on which panel you are working in. Right now, most menu items are inaccessible since we don't have anything in our timeline. We can either import files or create a new layer. To import files, go to File Import. But for demo purposes, I will be creating a new text layer. Click on Layer on the top toolbar. Then press New, Text. In your Timeline panel, you should see a red bar appear. You can adjust the length by hovering your cursor over both the ends, and clicking and holding the ends while you drag them to your desired location. To snap the layer, hit the Shift key on your keyboard as you click and drag the text layer to 0 seconds. Snapping acts as a magnet. Also, you can zoom in or zoom out of your timeline panel by scrolling the knob between the two mountain icons on the bottom of your timeline panel. In the next video, you will be learning how to add text, edit your text, animate your text by adding keyframes, and adding effects.